Now, we're going to work on the additional information. And it's so our working notes. Now, please read the first additional information we have in the question, please.
Factory expenses prepaid amounted to 5,000.
Okay, so what is the factory expenses at cost?
60,000.
Factory expenses.
At cost of the
I mean the actual amount, that's the question, that's the cost. So is what?
60,000.
60,000, right?
Yes.
So now, and it's prepaid, right? I know what's prepaid. Let's prepaid, right? Let's prepaid factory expenses. That's how much?
5,000.
5,000 naira. So you have what? 55 what? So yeah, what's the next one?
Selling expenses accrued was
Selling expenses at cost.
expenses is
The actual amount is what?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000, right? And what is the
Accrued 5.
accrued selling what? Expenses. That's what? Is what this? 2,500. You do what to accrued, you add it, right?
Yes.
That what? 5,500. Right? Okay, give the next question for me. Are you following?
Rent is apportioned
The portion between factory and selling department in the year
Wait. Factory what? And what? Selling what?
department.
Alright. Ratio what?
5/3.
5 ratio what? 3, right? Alright. Meaning that what? Total ratio. That was 5 plus what? Plus 3 got what? 8. Meaning that 5 belongs to factory and 3 belongs to what? Selling. Now, what is the actual cost for rent?
50,000.
50 what? 1,000, right? Now, so now before factory, that be 50,000 times 5/8. So that's what. Calculator, please.
That's 1,250.
See what?
It's 1,250.
That's about our factory rent. Our what?
Factory rent.
Now for the selling rent, same process, 50,000 times what? 3/8.
18,750.
That's what? 750. Now, if you have to add these two together, to equal to what? 50,000 naira. Try that, is it? So, meaning that we are done with the working note there. Let's now prepare our manufacturing what? Sorry, the books of what?
The books of Daudu.
Daudu, right? Manufacturing, trading, profits, and what? Loss account. Right? For the year ended, is that not? At the 1st December. Alright, so let's go on. So first thing we do is that now opening stock of what? Raw materials, is that not?
Yes.
So what's the amount?
8,000.
8,000. Please don't do mistake. The currency is D. That should be dollars. We add what? Add
purchases.
of what? Raw materials, right? That's how much? 40 what? Thousand. That was 48 what?
1,000.
Is there any carriage inward? Yes.
Yes.
So add what? Carriage inward.
That is 1,000.
That was 1,000. That was 49 what? Is there any return outward of raw materials? No. Okay, so let's what? Closing stock of what? RN. As what? Your raw materials. That's what?
6,000.
6,000. We have what? 40 what? 3,000. That's what? Cost of raw material consumed. Is that not?
Yes.
So now add our direct direct expenses or manufacturing wages. Is there any?
We have royalty.
Manufacturing is 100,000.
Is what? Manufacturing wages.
100,000.
100 what? 1,000. Is there royalties?
Yes.
Yes.
We have. Is that much?
1.5.
Is there any other? Check very well. No, right?
Yes.
Let's add up. That will be our prime cost.
What was 4,500?
One what?
44,500.
144,500. Yes, we are accurate. Then we have our what? Our factory what? Overhead, right? Factory what?
Overhead.
Now, let's first treat our working notes. But that's what? Factory rent. Is that not?
Yes.
Working notes what?
Working
Note 3. That's how much?
There's 1,000.
It's 1,250. Check out for that one you have there.
Factory expenses.
Factory expenses.
Factory expenses.
60,000.
So what? Okay, see working note. Good. Working note 1. That's what?
55,000.
55,000. Good. What other one we have there again? In the question. Is there any other? Depreciation should be there. Is in the question. Check it out. Read that for me.
Now.
Depreciation of machinery and
Machinery,
equipment.
delivery, costing expenses.
7.5.
7,500.
Yes.
The next one is called.
1,280.
That's a what? Delivery what? Van. Is that much?
1,280.
1,280. Okay.
Selling expenses.
That will be on that selling expenses now. Alright, please sum it up for me. Sum up.
95,000 and that.
Sum up with this total. Everything together.
So now 39,500.
Again,
239,500.
I'm sorry, please. Don't add delivery van. It should be under expenses. Please sum it again.
So now 38,000.
So now what?
38,000.
Alright, so add opening stock of WIP means what? Work in progress. So add the opening stock of it
2,000.
is what?
2,000.
2,000, right? That's what? Two-
40,000.
Two what?
40.
40,000. Okay, good.
250. So now 40,000. 250.
Okay. So we continue. We now less closing stock of work in progress. What's the figure?
That's 1.5.
1.5. Let's from this figure. We have to
So
start
now
what?
38,000.
You say what?
So now 38,000.
750. So that's going to be our cost of what? Production. So you come here, cost of production brought forward 238,750. Now you bring it down. You have it here 238,750. You done. Then you now prepare your what? Your opening stock of finished goods. Your what? Of FG. So what's the figure? You say what?
28,000.
28 what?
Thousand.
So add your cost of production. 238,750. What's the figure?
266,750.
266 what? Now the cost of goods available for sales. Right, so we have our sales to be what?
Sales, that's 390.
As in
390,000.
390,000. Is that not? Alright, so less closing stock of FG finished goods.
26,000.
It is what?
36,000.
Alright, so there's the figure.
240,000.
20 and what?
40,750.
750. Now your what? Cost of what? Goods sold. So less from your sales. And you have our gross profit.
49,000.
One and what?
49,250.
250. So you have what? 39. 39. So you have gross profit brought down. That's 149 what? 250. Is there any income items? Please check. Like your discount receipt, is there any?
We have discount allowed.
That will be expensive. See, discount allowed is what?
1.5.
1.5.
Selling expenses.
Selling expenses from your
Oh, shit.
selling what?
Expenses.
Working out what? Working out 2. How much? 5.5 now. Is it the total 5.5? Don't forget. I have what? Your selling rent. Working out what? 3. How much? 18,750. Is there another one in your note?
No.
Is there any other? Please check.
No.
Is there any other one in your note? Oh, good. Thank you. Delivery van
120.
1280. Is there any other income item to be posted there? There is discount receipt. Check in your question. There should be. Are you sure? There should be discount receipt. Right, so let's sum this all up. Let's sum it up.
So 7,010.
Alright. Unless it's from your gross profits, so we have our net profit.
More than 22,220.
More than what?
22,220.
220. So the total will be what? 149,250. Then you sum up this side to 149,000 what?
250.
this is the end of the account. Thank you very much. We are still with me, man, my line battle, but always.
Ẹ wá tẹ̀. Mo fẹ́.